Hi, it's Erica at the Kitchen on Goshen Hill, and I've got my friend Shauna here today, over here cracking jokes, keeping the mood light, making cooking fun, right?
Throw a shrimp on the bobby, mate.
This is a fish that comes from Australia. It's called Barramundi. And one of the things I really like about this fish is that it comes packaged in these individual packages if you go buy it at Costco. And all you have to do to thaw it is put it in cold water for about 10 or 15 minutes, and truly it thaws. And so all you have to do is, and I know this is like single-use packaging, but some days that's what you need, right? Can't always be sustainable.
No, you can't.
No, you can't. So
Not when you're landlocked.
Not when you come home and need to cook something really fast. So this is a great thing to cook really fast. It will thaw quickly. You can cook it quickly. You can get dinner on the table, and it will be awesome. So what we're doing here is just take this out. We're going to pat it dry a little bit with this paper towel, and then we'll get a second one out here and do the same thing. So Shauna, do you like fish?
I don't like fish.
That was a joke, y'all. She hates fish.
I do. I hate fish.
She hates fish. But what she does like is chicken. And so when Shauna comes over for dinner, we have fish and chicken. And we are going to cook them and season them in the same way, so that Shauna just fits right in with everybody else.
I feel like Erica is a very thoughtful cook in that way.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Trying to make stuff that people enjoy, right? So, which is, not a food that you hate.
Yeah.
Ideally,
right.
Speaking. So I'm going to go ahead and move this pan over here. Move this pan over here. And we are just going to arrange it. Okay, so then we have, for Shauna, chicken cutlets. So these are not full-size chicken breasts. They are thin sliced so that they will cook in about the same amount of time as the fish.
I feel like the people watching this video want to know if you washed that chicken.
I did not wash that chicken. I did not.
I don't wash my chicken either.
I believe the scientists. I know that's not a popular opinion, but I did not.
I just like it because it reinforces my not washing something before I cook it, which is easier.
You have to wash your vegetables. You have to wash anything that you're not going to cook, especially you have to wash.
Right. And I do wash them. I just don't like to wash them.
I was just in case anybody was getting ideas. I just wanted to address that. So what we're going to put on here, and oops, let me turn on the grill pan.
Oh, did you say grill pan?
I did. Y'all, this is the magic grill pan, and we're going to talk a little bit more about it in a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on medium-high so that it can start getting hot while we're finishing up the prep here. Fastest dinner in the West. All right. So what we have here is herb salt that I made out of herbs in my garden. You can use herbs from your garden or from the grocery store or wherever you want. But if you're interested in that, go check out my herb salt video. But what we are going to do with this today is we're going to take this particular one is a Mediterranean blend of herbs. It's got marjoram, it's got thyme, it's got oregano, it's got rosemary, it's got a little bit of basil in it. It's got some savory. I feel like I forgot something. Maybe that's it. No, we got thyme. So, and it's got it's mixed together and then dried with this Himalayan sea salt. So it is going to take this boring chicken and fish, and it's going to make it amazing. Before I put the salt on there, we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, just a little. Kind of helps have the salt have something to stick to. So we're just going to rub this around and then go ahead and turn it over. You don't want a lot, you just want a little. So on both sides. And I see that y'all who don't like fish are like you're using your chicken and your fish with the same hand. But it's going to be okay.
Okay, I trust you.
It's going to be okay. We're going to cook it. It's not going to taste like Barramundi, I promise. All right, so I've got my herb salt here. I'm using my other hand. And we are just going to sprinkle a pretty good amount on here. We're not putting anything else on this chicken. So this is the flavor for this chicken. And you're going to have to use your judgment here on how heavily you like your seasoning, how much you like salt. I happen to like salt, but don't be shy with it because you want to get that salt and that herb flavor here. So put it on that side, and we're just going to put a little on the other side. I just messed up my hands, didn't I? I sure did. All right, guys. Mix my two hands up while we're cooking it. It'll be okay. All right, just a little on this side. And then we're going to get our grill ready. So the way we do that is pour a little olive oil in here. This is a little trick. You need a paper towel. And then you just fold it up like this. Get your tongs. Dip it in there. And then this is an easy way to oil the grill.
Oh.
I'm going to start by putting the more heavily seasoned side down. We're going to start with the Barramundi. Let's do it. So, Shauna, I need you to keep an eye on the clock. We're only going to cook it 3 minutes aside.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
And then we put on the chicken, same way. Y'all, this grill pan is enormous. It fits over 2 burners. As you can see, you can fit a lot of food on there. It's also nonstick with a ceramic coating on it, so it makes it easy to clean. It's great. You should get one.
Oh, that also came from Costco.
It did also come from Costco. All right, so we're going to let this cook for 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back. All right, so we've got our fish and our chicken on the grill here. It's been 3 minutes, and I'm looking at it. Make sure it's ready to turn. You can see from when it starts getting a little white around the edges, it's probably ready to turn. You can go ahead and check it, and that looks great.
Been exactly 3 minutes.
And one way you can tell if it's really ready is if the meat releases from the pan pretty easily. If it's really sticking, it's not ready yet. So, chicken looks good. I think we're on schedule. So we're going to start the timer for another 3 minutes.
Okay.
I mean, y'all, this whole meal is like 20 minutes, start to finish. If you have the herb salt.
And the grill pan.
And the grill pan, the magic grill pan, yeah. We're ready to take it off. Plate number 1, which will not be Shauna's plate. All right. Here we have the finished product. Let the people see it, chicken.
There's my chicken.
Let's go ahead and have a taste. Mmm. Oh, I love that herb salt. That's really good.
Oh, yeah. That is really good on the chicken.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
These are great flavors. Mm.
So, get yourself a magic grill pan and some Barramundi, and you can go to town. Thanks for joining us at the kitchen on Goshen Hill.
Good day, mate.